This is an essential oil diffuser starter kit that comes with 4 10 milliliter hotel scent fragrance oils. Thanks to the brand for sending me this kit so that I could tell you all about it. These fragrances were inspired by iconic hotel scents, and each included fragrance is a signature scent style of world-class hotels known for their refined ambiance. They really smell good. Without water, your essential oils are diffused undiluted so that the particles sprayed into the air keep their concentration, and you won't have to deal with condensation like you do with a water diffuser. There are 3 mist levels right here on the front, right here on this side, right here, low, medium, and high. And then on this side, it has timer options. There's a timer off setting, and there's auto countdown. One is for 1 hour, one is for 3 hours, and one is for 6 hours. So you have all those options to set the timing. This is a quality product with a detachable nozzle for changing oil and refilling, and it's compatible with most standard 5 to 20 milliliters of essential oil bottles. This is what it looks like on the inside. And you just unscrew it and take this part out. Then you're going to take your scent bottle and open it. This unit also comes with 2 extra straws. There's one comes with it, and there's 2 extras. And there's also a hypodermic needle that you can use when you're refilling a bottle if you want to. I've chosen to use the scent inspired by W. So pour it into the fragrance bottle that was attached. And nothing was spilled. So now I will attach it to the diffuser section, tighten it, and then I'm just going to put it back in and turn it so that its arrow matches up on the top. There's 2 arrows. There's an arrow on the cylinder that I just pushed in, and there's an arrow on this top to match it. Just get them across from each other and you're fine. And then all you have to do is hit the power button, and there it goes. Oh my goodness, look at that. I've got the fan on, so it's really going. Oh, it smells delicious. You're going to be reminded of the last time you stayed in a 5-star hotel. That's for sure. Really smells good. If you take this in your car, it fits in your cup holder. But if you are traveling and you want to put it in your purse to travel, be sure that it won't turn over because you don't want a stain created. It comes with a built-in rechargeable battery for 48 hours of runtime and a Type-C charging cord, and it will recharge in about 3.5 hours. It has an aluminum body, and it's really a premium product. It's very simple to set up and use. Just fill the fragrance bottle and place the unit into the cylinder matching the arrows, and you're all set up to go. When it's time for monthly cleaning, refer to the instruction sheet that came with it. It's a really detailed instruction sheet. It tells you exactly what to do at every step, so be sure you save that and refer to it monthly. If you're looking for a diffuser that's simpler to use than a water diffuser, you might like to consider trying this one.